In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a dark viewing experience in both Acrobat Reader and Acrobat Pro. This is especially useful if you prefer working or reading in a dimmer environment, either for comfort or to reduce eye strain. We'll focus on adjusting the app interface to a dark theme and, if you like, applying a dark background to your documents through accessibility options. These steps are especially handy for the most recent versions of the software. First, let's talk about what you should know about dark modes. The strategy here involves a two-layer approach. The first step is to change the user interface theme to a dark interface. The second optional step is to replace the document colors to create a true dark page background accompanied by light text. This can offer both a sleek look and an improved reading experience by reducing screen glare. Keep in mind that the exact wording of options might differ slightly depending on whether you're using Windows or Mac OS, and also based on whether you're using Acrobat Reader or Acrobat Pro. Nevertheless, the general paths remain similar across platforms. Now let's dive into how to enable a dark interface. To start, simply open the app, whether you're using Acrobat Reader or Acrobat Pro. Next, you'll want to access the theme setting. If you're operating on Windows, you can do this by opening the menu located at the top left of your screen. From there, navigate to View and look for Display Theme, or alternatively, you can find the Preferences option and head over to Accessibility. Once you're in, you'll be able to choose a dark gray or dark theme to suit your preference. If you're using Mac OS, the process is just as straightforward. Use the Acrobat menu or the View menu to find Display Theme and select a dock option from the choices presented to you. This simple adjustment will transform your viewing experience, making it much easier on the eyes, especially when reading for extended periods. After making your theme selection, make sure to apply the changes. You might be prompted to restart the application to ensure the new theme sticks. A quick restart ensures that your settings are applied correctly and gives you the dark mode experience you're looking for. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy Adobe Acrobat tutorials. I'll be sharing even more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity and make the most out of your Adobe software. Thanks for watching and have a great day with your new, darker, more comfortable viewing experience.